What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to go over my build list on my 95 Cummins. I'm trying to make 500, at least 500 horsepower to the ground, and I'll go over the build list with you, tell you what all I've got, and give you a cold start. That's my 24 valve. That's my 12 valve, the one I'm building. So I put a 12 millimeter industrial injection P-pump on it, set at 500 horsepower. It can go up to 800 worth of fuel. So I've done that. Put 150 horse injectors, southbend dual disc clutch, head studs from Xotic. The injectors are industrial injection as well. Haven't gotten to the turbo yet. I've put a power-driven diesel modified hot rod lift pump on it, but I'm not quite as happy with that as I would like to be. Having some fuel pressure issues, trying to work that out. Let's see what else. I did the injection pump, head studs, injectors, south bend clutch, and the exhaust. Right now it's just a 3-inch straight pipe with a 4-inch tip. It was like that when I got it, but I liked it coming out that side so I can hear all the cool noises. And so yeah, let me give you a cold start. I say cold, it got down to like probably high 40s, low 50s, so it's not like crazy cold yet, but it's cold enough to be a cold start, I guess. All right, here we go. Custom pillar pod. But yeah, that's basically it. I try to, like I said, try to make 500 to the wheel. And if I ever get tired of that, I can always turn it up some more. Want to do compound turbos, but I may end up doing a larger single just for money efficiency, and then later on do some compounds. But I think overall it's going to be a pretty fun service truck. And thanks for watching.